Overwatch keeps crashing? Run through these fixes in order, and one of them will stop it. Open battle.net. Next to the play button, click the gear icon. Select Scan and Repair. Then Begin Scan. That checks for corrupted game files and replaces them automatically. Try launching the game. If that fixed it, drop a comment saying fixed. It helps others find the right fix faster. If it's still crashing, go to either nvidia.com/drivers or amd.com/support and download the latest driver for your card. Run the installer. When it asks for installation type, select Custom, then perform a clean installation. This wipes any corrupted driver settings. That's normal. It won't affect anything else. Restart when it finishes, then test the game. Still crashing? Disable overlays and background apps. Discord, Nvidia app, and Radeon overlays all inject into the game and cause crashes. Turn off every overlay you have. In Discord, Settings, scroll down, Game Overlay, toggle it off. For Nvidia, Settings, Nvidia Overlay, toggle off. Then close anything running in the background. Browser tabs, RGB software, anything not needed. Also check the tray. Exit anything you're not currently using. Launch Overwatch and test. Still not fixed? Open Windows Updates, search, Update. Check for updates again. Install everything, including optional updates. DirectX updates live there and Overwatch needs them. If the game launches clean with no crash, you're done. Drop a comment saying fixed. If it's still crashing, tell me exactly when it happens and what error you're seeing, if any.